Today, we're looking at the 10 best gold design templates for 2021. These luxurious gold design templates are a beautiful and easy way to add a touch of shimmery sophistication to your creative endeavors, helping them to stand out from the crowd. All items featured today are available in Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription-based service that helps you bring your ideas to life. With full access to millions of digital creative assets, resources, and services, simply download whatever you want as many times as you want and use your favorite items to enhance your creative projects. Find the perfect plan for you or your business by clicking the link in the description below. Number 10. Business Card by Micromove. At number 10 today, this sleek black and gold business card template is all about quiet confidence and subtle sophistication. Suitable for any kind of business, it's easy to add your own personal touch thanks to its fully customizable design elements. Number 9. Wedding Invitation Art Deco by Graphicook. Step back in time with this gorgeous 1920s Art Deco wedding pack that will give your special day a touch of Gatsby-style glamour. With everything you'll need, from save the dates, invitations, and RSVP cards to menus and table numbers, these eye-catching templates will be sure to leave your wedding guests suitably impressed. Number 8. Golden Light Leaks by musicant. At number 8 today, we have an opulent video opener that is filled with slow-motion sparkles and soft golden hues, making it ideal for awards nights, wedding ceremonies, and extra special promotional videos. Easily add your own images, text, and audio, and prepare to dazzle your audience. Number 7. Gold Yellow Bokeh Particles Background by Puzurin. Next up, we have a golden bokeh background video that will add a sense of warmth and style to your next creative project. Simply drop it into your video edit and change the blending modes to create a soft and dreamy effect. Number 6. The Ultimate 1001 Text Effects by designercow. At number 6 today, we have a luxurious and shimmery Photoshop effect pack that will elevate your design projects to a whole new level. With customizable smart objects and well-organized file structures, this pack makes it super easy to create designs that suit your needs. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. 3D Gold Text Effects 10 PSD by SCO4. Bring some glitz and glamour to your next design project with these 3D gold text effects. With 10 style options to choose from, easy smart object replacement, and clean, well-organized templates, this pack will help you create beautiful typography designs without any fuss. Number 4. 50 Gold Textures by Zeppelin Graphics. At number 4, we have a pack of glistening gold textures that will add some bling to your blogs, banners, and branding projects. These high-res JPEG files contain 50 textures, ranging from metal and foil to wood, which can be used as backgrounds and wallpapers or to add fancy details to your designs. Number 3. Dripping Gold Photoshop Action by sevenstyles. Next up, we have a lavish liquid gold Photoshop action that transforms your images into molten gold masterpieces. Simply fill in your subject and play the Photoshop action, then customize your final design to suit your needs. Number 2. Golden Glitter Text Effect by Pixelbudographic. Create luxurious party invites, sparkling social media posts, or glamorous gift cards with ease with this glittering gold text effect pack. With adjustable grain and decorative elements, these high-resolution gold and copper text effects can be easily customized to accentuate any design option. Number 1. 25 Golden Age Luxury Textures by NassyArt. At number 1 today, we have a luxury collection of 25 glittering textures that promise to add a subtle sparkle to your next graphic design project. With a glamorous color palette that ranges from sunshine yellow through to antique rose gold, these high-resolution backgrounds are guaranteed to give you an eye-catching final design. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best gold design templates for 2021. Did any of those items stand out to you? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all of the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups, and check out the next video selected just for you.